Guys, come and have breakfast with me. This is leftover stew. Sunday leftover stew and rice. I don't know who else have noticed when you cook with fresh tomatoes, that's fresh tomatoes and ice fish with fresh pepper. There is this taste that it gives. I don't know if it's only me, but if you cook fresh tomatoes and maybe add it with paste, tomato paste with ice fish, the taste is not the same as that fresh tomatoes and ice fish. It tastes homely, you understand? Fresh tomatoes, ice fish, fresh pepper. Ah, it's giving. I added the meat though, but that ice fish taste supersede everything. um, so guys, I'll see you in my next clip. Mm. Let me divulge this food. Mm. Open it.
Hey buddies. So I have electricians that they say electricians as if there are many. Electrical man is working for me. So I went out to collect what I asked my sister to bring for me. So that my sister is selling electrical parts. So I'm just that thing you are seeing is a house. So I just went there to buy the thing they asked me to buy. You understand? So I'm heading home to go and give them because my shop there is no light. They've not connected light. So we are doing it today so that at least in the night I will have a light in my shop, you understand, because most times if I'm supposed to stay up to 8 o'clock, I will close because of the dark environment and I don't have a torch that can circulate all over my shop. So I went out to buy these some okay, these two here is energy bulb in case there is no gen. At least it will last for me like 2 or 1 hour, you understand. So that's it. So it will last for me like 2 or 1 hour, you understand. That is the essence of this energy bulb. So guys, sorry if you see me looking down, please pardon me. Our road is too good. Before magati open a mirror or happy to anyone. That is it. So talk to you guys later, because this is a vlog. Anything can appear in the clip, understand. Yeah, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you have not subscribed. And if you are seeing my face for the very first time, you already know. Your guy, your mama, are the chicks in the building. All right, talk to you later. Yeah.
Actually, which one is solar?
Yes. So guys, and let there be light. Yes, they are done fixing my light for me. This is night. As you can see outside is night, but there is light in the shop. That is the reason why I said come and do this light for me. So I have lights in my shop now. Understand? I can stay till 8, 9 o'clock. Understand? So see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I've come to the end of this video. Yeah, I have lights in my shop now. I'm feeling too strong, oh guys. I'm lying, I'm feeling cool. I think it's symptoms of malaria. Malaria is now knocking, but I got to deal with it. So see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.